So this is the piano tutorial of My Lover by Mercy Chinwo. Okay, so the song was done in the key of B flat, but I'll be playing in the key of F. So we are looking at the verse, the chorus, and basically everything about this particular song. So let's check what they were doing on the intro. Okay, so they were playing a simple progression which I'm about to show you. Okay, so in the key of F, this is 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. This help you to play in other keys. Okay, so let's dive in. So they did this particular movement. Alright, so this is the first chord they did in the song, this one. Okay, basically the same as the do chord, so whichever key you play inside, okay, the do chord. So let's check the voicing that I'm doing right now. I'm doing the F, I'm doing the C, I'm doing the F. Okay, right hand is doing the F, A, and C. Okay, so basically do, so do on the left, right hand is doing the do, mi, so on the right. Okay, alright, then we do this particular chord. Okay, so here you stretch a little bit. Okay, so what do I have right now? I have the B flat, I have the B flat on the left, right hand is doing the D, F, B flat, and D, so otherwise known as the fa on the left, right hand is doing the la, do, fa, la. Okay, then we do this. This is a third chord they did in a song. I'm doing the C on the left, right hand is doing the E, G, C. Alright, basically the so and so on the left, right hand is doing the T, re, so. Okay, then we do back to this particular chord. Okay, basically I've already shown you this chord that I'm holding down right now, basically the 4 chord. Okay, then here, instead of doing this, let's do this. Okay, alright, you can basically stretch if you want to stretch, but I just love this particular voicing. Okay, like this. Okay, so let's check the intro so far, what we have learned. Okay, like this, then we end it. So let's check the verse of this particular song. Okay, so the verse started off like, when you say a thing, it come to pass. Ekueme, you are always in. Aye, 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 aye. When you say a thing, it come to pass. Ekueme, you are always. Aye, 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 aye. Be my lover, my lover. So basically the same thing that they use for this particular song throughout. Okay, subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in another video. Bye.